We're here at the Burke Lake Ice Cream Parlor in Burke Lake Park in Fairfax Station, Virginia. We're here to talk about the improvements and the renovations we did to the ice cream parlor. We dressed it up and gave it a train theme, and it's pretty exciting. The building's about 50 years old, and it definitely needed a facelift. And we just looked around and we thought, what can we do to give it that train theme that we wanted to incorporate into this building? And there's a lot of little things we can do. We had a suspended train. We put some train features, some lanterns, and just make it more inviting to the customer coming in here. So we thought it would be a good idea, in addition to all the other improvements that we made, to put a miniature train around the ceiling. Kids come in and they're all excited to get their ice cream, and they stop dead in their tracks and they watch the train just going around. We even have a lap counter over the door that counts how many laps the train has made since we started it about a month ago. The ice cream parlor is going to pop up and people are going to be talking about the wow effect that this place has had.